Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing loop iteration problems, a comprehensive guide with examples. Loops are fundamental building blocks of programming, enabling you to repeat a block of code multiple times. However, loop iterations can often be a source of bugs and unexpected behavior. This tutorial will delve into common loop iteration problems, explain how to identify them, and provide solutions with code examples across various programming languages, Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Understanding loop iteration fundamentals. Before we dive into the problems, let's solidify our understanding of the basic loop structures. For loop typically used when you know the number of iterations beforehand or when you are iterating over a collection of elements. Initialization sets the initial value of the loop counter.